So Metro has a lot of different modes of transportation. We can think about Metro bus, that's the big buses that drive up and down a certain route and they go on a schedule. Metrolink, we sometimes call that the train. So that's our light rail system. Then we have Metro Coloride. Metro Coloride provides our ADA complimentary paratransit. That is for folks when they have a disability that prevents them from using the Metro bus or the Metro Link. Now, the cool thing I think is that just because you need call a ride sometimes doesn't mean that you couldn't maybe use the Metro bus or the Metro Link for some of your trips. Sometimes there's trips that you can do on the Metro bus, and then trips that you maybe haven't learned how to do, you would use the call a ride for. Our newest mode of transportation is called VIA Metro St. Louis, and that looks like those minivans that are black and blue with the Metro symbol on the side, and they operate in particular areas during particular times. So for example, they serve North County where a lot of our buses stop running at 8 p.m. They also serve some areas in West County and South County where there's not enough people that maybe want to ride the bus all the time, but there's still people who need to get where they need to go. And with VIA, you use your phone, either your smartphone on the app, or you can call them and you ask them to send you a vehicle. Now you can tell it if you need a van where you can ride with your wheelchair. You can tell it if you aren't able to cross the street and you need them to drop you off right in front of where you're going. So you can let them know those sort of things. The other thing is that we offer travel training in our department, and that's where you would meet with one of our travel trainers and they're going to help you figure out your route on the bus, figure out how maybe you might take the Metrolink and then get a VIA. So they would do all that stuff with you. They would help you figure it out and practice with you until you and everybody who cares about you is confident that you can do it and you know what to do if something doesn't go right. Okay, so then here were just some of my thoughts. Which one is best for me? So the short answer is it really depends. It depends on where you're going, what are your skills, what are your strengths, and which one is going to maybe be available to connect you where you need to go. So again, Metro Bus and Metro Link are going to go the exact same way every time, take the same route, and they run on a schedule. And it's the lowest cost option. One, because we offer a reduced fare for people with disabilities, and that's either if you receive Medicare or SSI or Social Security disability, or if you have your healthcare professional or maybe your person at the ARC can sometimes be the one to fill out a verification of disability form. If you're always able to catch the Metrolink and Metro bus, but you have a disability, you can ride for half price. If you need call a ride for some of your trips, then you get a card that lets you ride Metro bus and Metrolink for no fare. That's a relatively new program that we have because we want people to be as independent and spontaneous as they can. Some people need call a ride and that's okay. And call a ride sometimes works best for people. But for other people, if they can catch the bus or the train, we want to encourage them to do that. Or maybe you just get to ride for free if you're going to the baseball game with your family, something like that. So Metro Call a Ride and VIA Metro St. Louis, those are both what we call shared ride services. And they don't always take the same route and they cost a bit more. Metro Call a Ride is going to go the same places and destinations during the same times of the day that Metro Bus and Metrolink operate. Because remember, that's replacing Metro Bus and Metrolink when you need a bit more help. Via Metro St. Louis is in some different areas where we don't have as much bus service. So how you can get started, you can call our Transit Access Center. Their phone number is 314-982-1510. That's the number you would call if you want to talk to a travel trainer. It's where you would call if you have some more questions. Should I get a reduced fare application for MetroBus and Metrolink? Or should I get an application for Call a Ride? Things like that.